So guys, happy 4th of July! Can you say that?
Happy 4th of July!
Yes, so today is the 4th of July, and what are we about to do, Mason?
Tattoo!
Tattoo! So are you ready? Are you ready?
Yeah!
Yeah! So let's go!
Let's go!
You get everybody staring for days. All they see is just a young pretty face. But I'm trying to get to know you much better. Don't matter how much time it will take, but there's something you're trying to hide. There's something you're keeping inside. But I'm trying to get to know you much better. Don't matter how much time it will take. I just can't give up. I just can't give up.
Hey guys, yesterday we actually got rained out, which is okay though, but it's the next day. I'm here with my mom. I didn't know she's here. Also my dad's here. And if you're wondering, especially where Greg and Mason are, they are actually playing here at Jungle Jack's. And they are having a blast. Done playing, and did you have fun? Yeah, he had fun. And we are currently now at Olive Garden, and we are all now eating delicious food. Yum, is it good? Yeah. What are you eating? Yeah, I go, cheese! Good job. Delicious. Oh.
There's big chunks of it. You gotta say it from us.
4 to 6 days later.
Hey guys, so it is a new day. And what are we doing today, guys?
Shopping.
Shopping! Can you say shopping, Mason?
Mason, shopping.
Shopping!
He's too tired.
He's too in the zone too about going to the store. So Mason got his furniture in, which is really exciting, and you'll never guess what his theme is for his room. What's your theme, bud? Is it bus?
Balls?
Bus. And so we're gonna go looking for some sports themed stuff. So here we go. So now the boys are just chillaxing. Huh, buddy? What'd you find? Sparkly? What does it do? Does it spin? Yeah?
We're going back to it.
over there. And go. There he goes.
Hi. So we had some success at the store for shopping for Mason's room. Mason had a lot of fun. He got to help pick some stuff out for decorating. We also got to decorate a little bit tonight. We still have a few more things to do, but it's looking great so far. We want to make the room reveal like a surprise for you guys, so stay tuned for that.
Yes.
But we had a lot of fun for the 4th of July. Amy's parents came down, and we had fun spending time with them. Oh, Jesus. We had a fun time spending time with them, and some friends came over. Oh, my God, Mason. We had some fireworks, right? Fireworks?
Favorites.
Yeah. And we tried sparklers for the first time, right? And then we went to this place called Jungle Jack's. It's like a little kiddie indoor playground type of thing, and it was pretty cool. Mason had a lot of fun there, right? He had a lot of fun, and he wore himself out, and it was great. But we're gonna probably go back, right? But we hope you guys enjoyed this one. And Mason's really excited to go to sleep in his bed like a big boy. But we hope you guys enjoyed this one. And as always, don't forget to comment, rate, subscribe, and all that fun stuff. And we will see you guys in the next one. Bye.
Bye.
Ah.